What's up, guys? We just made it to the west side of the United States. Super excited. Picked up some other cool stuff that we wanted to tell you guys about. Got it in the back of the trailer, so we're going to actually break down some numbers, tell you what else we got, have some fun, and guess what? Where are we starting?
We are on finds number 6 and 7.
So, 6 and 7! Sweet!
So we have 7 items now, plus a mystery item that we are still going to talk about in a future date that we're not talking about yet.
That's it.
Because it's a really different flip than we've ever done, and we want to do a whole video on it.
So item 6, what is it? Can you see that blue thing right back there behind me? That is item 6. Killer, cool thing that I could not pass up. I'll show it to you.
Found this at a thrift store, standing at the thrift store. It was like hanging on the side. It is some kind, looks like an alien.
I can't even take credit for this because we were with one of our friends and he's the one who showed it to me.
One of our members.
Actually,
one of our members.
Yes, You're right. So we were with him. He pulled it out and said, "Hey, Rob, what about this?" And I was like, "Whoa, that's cool." And then I saw it, and then afterwards I looked, and if you can see the boxes right back here, right where my hand's at,
not just one.
They had 5 of them. So I was like, "Wow, well, there might be something to this." And they even had the retail price inside the store that it was over $1,000. So I was like, "Wow, that's pretty cool." So I went up to the manager and I said, "Hey, if I took all of these from you that you have, would you do me a better deal?" And he said, "Absolutely." And he gave us what?
It was $100, I think, each, right? And he dropped it to $85
$85
and
a piece.
he threw in that one for free.
And the one that was out of the box, yes, he gave it for free. So he paid $425, I think it was, for
total,
5 of them.
I wrote it down.
The other ones
Plus
that we
the free
got
one.
were still
They're in the box and they're still brand new.
brand new in the box. As you can see, they're in a little carrying bag. So
some kind of, did you say what it was? Some kind of chemical protecting.
Yeah, it's double lined. It's got filters in it. It's pretty crazy. So really cool. I like weird stuff. Couldn't find any comps on eBay for it. So I
but
know
that's
what
not
retail.
Always a bad thing.
It's not.
If you
I know what retail is. So we should do pretty well on this. So excited about those suits.
But you did try it on,
I
and
did.
it is super hot.
Very hot. But it's cool, and I like cool
hot,
stuff.
But it's cool.
So we ended up paying $425 for this. We're going to list them for $800 a piece, and we should be over, what is that, $4,000?
Yep, it was $4,000.
Roughly $4,000.
With a free one, so and that one we can't sell as much because it's open, obviously. But
I probably could sell it used maybe for a couple $100.
Yeah.
I probably could get
$300 or $400.
Yeah, I might be able to pay for all of them with that if I sell it for half the price of the new ones. I don't think anything's wrong with it. They just took it out so it was displayed that way. So yeah. Anyways, really cool. I got a shout out to Nick. Nick was the one who helped me with this. Nick and Angie, we were hanging out with them for the day, and he was the one who put me onto this, and I was like, "That's awesome, let's do it."
It was a lot of fun.
So that was number 6.
So that's our second thrift store find,
Yep.
and the rest are all Facebook Marketplace. So that's typically where we look is Facebook Marketplace, but we wanted to stop in at a couple thrift stores, along the way as well. So the next one,
next one is number 7, and if you see that big yellow thing behind us, this one probably won't get sold. Maybe one day it will, but the price was right, and I really wanted it because this one's a little bit more nostalgic, I guess you could say. When we do birthdays at our house, we go to Chuck E. Cheese every single birthday.
So we take the kids out of school for their birthday.
Family Fun Day, we call it.
Family Fun Day. It started when the kids were little, before they were even in school, because we had Disney passes, and we'd start the day like going to breakfast, go to Chuck E. Cheese, and then go to Disney, and that was kind of the 3 things we did.
Yeah.
Now we don't have Disney passes anymore, so we just kind of let the kids decide what we want to do, but it's always breakfast and Chuck E. Cheese.
Those are the 2 things that don't change. Now we do, what are they called? Mystery rooms? No.
Escape rooms.
Escape rooms we're doing now, and other places in Orlando we do. So it's the whole day. We pull them out of school. We spend a whole day with them. But this yellow box behind us, if you look at it, so we do Chuck E. Cheese every single birthday. It's one of those things that even on my birthday, Melissa won't embrace it.
My birthday, the kids are in school, but every other birthday, the kids give.
Every other birthday, all the kids and myself, we always do Chuck E. Cheese. So this is one of my favorite games that was at Chuck E. Cheese. You can't find them. Very hard to find, and I found it on Marketplace, and guess how much it was? $40. Are you kidding me? I was so excited when I found this. So it is a little bit damaged because I guess they don't like them going to the market.
They won't, because whenever they closed the one Chuck E. Cheese near us, you tried to buy it, and the maintenance guy said that they won't sell them, and they destroyed them, which is really sad. And they were going to destroy this one. I don't know how this guy got it, but
so you're still waiting what kind of arcade it is or what it is, because we haven't told you yet. But it was very cool.
Tell what it is.
Well, you might not be able to tell. So it's really cool. It's folded down right now. The top folds up. It is actually called Operation. It's the arcade version of if you were a kid and you played Operation and you put the little thing down inside and it buzzed if you didn't pull the thing out. This is the same thing, except it drops a needle down and it can't touch the side of whatever you're dropping it into. And it's got a thing up top that tells you get more points if you drop it down in that specific thing.
And he would spend his whole time at Chuck E. Cheese pretty much on this one game because it would give him so many points, and then they ended up throttling it and make it less points. But anyways, you love that game, so
I do.
You
so paid $40 for it. If we do sell it, it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna take a little bit of work because they did some damage to it. It will take a little bit of work. Probably $4,500 between $4,000 and $5,000 we should be able to get for it. They're very hard to find. I've never seen one for sale, so I was very, very excited when I found this one. And I'll put a little bit of work into it. We'll probably keep it. I'll probably put it into a game room at our house because I love it. But
so we're not going to include that one in the totals as far as the sales because you probably won't sell it. You'll probably keep it as a project. But
perks of the business.
It was $40, so it's not like you're
not that much invested into it.
Yeah, and it will take some work, but it'll be okay. So
absolutely.
It was a little bit of a bear to get into the trailer.
It was
because we had to take the front of the door off.
If you look, the door is sitting inside of the glass.
This much too big to fit into this way into the trailer, and we have the big stove in there, so it was a little bit crazy.
Yeah.
But the guy we bought it from was super nice, like the nicest guy. He's like, when you get it restored, send me a video. Like he had a whole bunch of arcades in there. Yeah. So
excited about it. I love it. I love finding treasures. We got a couple more things coming up. 8 and 9 are coming up in the next 2 days.
Yeah. We're spending a couple days here in Idaho. We have friends here, so we're kind of recouping, like we're going to organize the trailer, rearrange some stuff, take some videos and pictures, and hopefully get some stuff listed while we're here before we make the trek to a couple more parks and then back home.
That's it. So stay tuned. We got some cool stuff coming. Are you doing the totals right now? What we're at?
Yeah, real quick. Yeah.
So we can do the totals. Yeah. So if you guys remember the first couple things we bought.
The first item was the one oven for $100.
$100 we paid for it. Sell for $3,000.
The second one was the heater for $100.
$100 to, what did I say, $1,000, $1,500?
Well, I
think get a little bit more, but we'll be conservative. $1,000. So that puts us at
$1,000 to $1,500 because it works and everything is fine.
Puts us at $4,000.
The sewing machine was $50 to $200.
Yeah,
which doesn't quite hit your 10x goal, but you just thought it was cool.
Yeah.
The trash compactor for $100, which for $1,000 is what you can sell.
$100. I think I'll get more than that, but we'll still say $1,000 conservative.
The wolf you spent $1,000 on, which is a lot of money
we spent. $1,000, but we'll turn it into $10,000. Yeah, so we will 10x the wolf oven.
We rarely spend that on items unless they can make us about 10,000.
But this is a great one.
The suits, number 6 was $85 per, so $425 is what we paid for 5 of them. And you should get $4,000 for them.
Yeah.
And then we spent $40 on the game. Could make $4,000, but we're not going to include that in the totals because you're probably going to keep it as a project.
For sure. So what is the grand total?
So we spent $1,815.
$1,800.
So, and our projected on the conservative side is $19,200.
What? So, over 10x. That's what our goal is, to be over 10x. Excited. We had some really, really cool stuff. Some stuff that I think will sell fairly quickly. Very excited about the haul that we've done so far. We got some more cool stuff lined up, like I said, and not tomorrow. The next day I have two more days, 8 and 9 lined up to pick up. Excited about those. I'm pretty sure we will kill it on those as well. So excited. Hopefully you guys are enjoying all the cool finds that we're doing. Hopefully it's giving you some ideas of what you might be able to find in your local towns. That's what we're here to help with. So you guys are amazing. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you on the next.
See you soon. Episode.
All right, guys, you rock. Have a great day.